Many organizations begin the process of implementing flow by setting up equipment needed in the transformative process in a straight line layout. This is indeed much more effective than a functional environment and eliminates a great deal of the waste that come from the functional and departmentalized organizations. And while these straight line layouts are more effective than functional layouts, they do still have waste in them. One of the most obvious is that when a process is complete, the worker must walk all the way back to the beginning of the process and begin again. As you know, this introduces waste into the process as it adds no value to the product or service. So, how do we solve this? One of the most common ways that this problem in particular is solved is by implementing a U or C-shaped cell arrangement. In a cellular layout, your equipment is placed in a cellular layout that looks much like a curve, horseshoe, or the letter U or C. This not only gives the benefits of a straight line flow, but it also places the first and the last steps in the cell much closer together, which minimizes forms of waste. Cellular layouts are the optimal flow-based layout. A cell is a close arrangement or setup of people, machines, or workstations. The purpose of a cellular layout is to fulfill a processing sequence while simultaneously reducing wait times, transportation, and other forms of muda. In addition to removing various forms of waste, cells are very effective and promote and facilitate effective flow lines. Cells can be in many different shapes and attempt to spread work evenly amongst the resources. You now know what a cellular layout is and why so many people use cells to reduce waste. Now, before we go, consider the following question. If you placed your equipment in a cell, what improvements would you see? You can answer your question in the comments, upcoming assignment, or on a piece of paper at your desk. Thanks again for watching. And don't forget to come back often right here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power today.